No, this won't hurt at all, Liana. I promise. Are you ready?
Don't even think about it, Doctor. Stay away from me!
Are you all right, sweetie? Where are you going?
We have to run. We'll never set foot in this doctor's office again.
Another one ran off. Darn. Why is everyone so afraid of dentists these days? Phew! I think we lost her. No one's around. Well, except for...
Whew, you startled me. I'm Megan. I'm Liana.
Oh. Turns out hospitals aren't boring at all. All you need is good friends to hang out with. But Liana is in great danger. The doctor is after her teeth. She'll need to hide.
Megan, I'm being hunted by an evil doctor. You gotta help me. What's going on, bestie?
No time to explain, Megan. Help me hide! How are we feeling today? Let's take your temperature. It seems that Megan is worried sick. She's got a fever. Megan, you're very, very sick. It's time to rest in bed for you, miss. No arguments. And what's that over there?
Oh, I'm feeling so sick. Please, Dr. Penny, help me. Oh, I'm all better now. You're the best doctor in the world.
Get some rest, Megan. I'll be back soon.
You saved me, bestie. Thanks. What's that you got there, Liana? No idea. I found it in the closet. What if...
Megan, we should make some curtains. I've got some thread handy.
Yay.
Some airy fabric, some know-how, and some imagination. And presto, you have some beautiful curtains. Pranking your friends is a great way to spend your day. Let's get to it. Play with me, Megan.
Help me! There's a ghost in the hospital!
What a great prank. Her heart rate is off the charts.
Come on, bestie, it's me.
You should have seen your face. You screamed like a little girl. Don't do stuff like that anymore. I can't be stressing out right now. All right, buddy, but I've got another idea. And we can use your heart monitor. Wow, you're a genius, Liana.
Yay.
But what are we going to do with it?
Wow.
Well, Megan, we're going to use it for a pretty decoration.
Wow.
Do you like it? Oh yeah, looks great. And that's not all I can do. Megan, it's time to have a little fun. I'm ready, bestie. Follow me. Are you sure Dr. Penny isn't around? Come on, Liana, don't be scared. Doctor's got some urgent business. She needs to get back to her office. All right, I'm ready for adventure. Full speed ahead. Uh-oh, Megan, stop. All right, bestie. Stop messing around, Meg. I'm being late. You're working yourself to death, Dr. Penny. How about a game of chess to unwind? Clear the way, everyone. Liana is in a high-speed race. Does this thing even have brakes? And where's the steering wheel? Wow, this is fun. Set the course for deliciousness. There's an ice cream stall ahead. Liana can't afford to miss that. Hey, what was that?
No.
Are you little? I'm out of here. Now Liana's got a delicious snack. The only other thing she needs is some toys. And she just spotted some.
Mommy, this evil girl stole all our stuff.
Oh, don't cry, sweetie. What a great catch. But it's time to get back to our friend. Meanwhile, the distraction is in full swing. I won, Megan. Now, please, don't distract me anymore. Yes, Dr. Penny. Oh, there you are, Liana. Where have you been? Phew, that was some extreme racing. You deserve a treat, bestie. But let's stay under the speed limit now. There's nothing to fear when you're with your friends. Nothing except the sound of thunder. It's so scary here, Liana. Oh, you're right, Megan. Hey, and who might you be, buddy? Ah! Get away! Oh, I saved us, bestie. But we can't go on like this. You're right, Liana. We should make some night lights. Look what I found. Time to get to work. We can turn these jars into beautiful lamps. A hospital room's got everything you need for handmade crafts. Oh, I'm falling asleep, Megan. tight, bestie. No more nightmares for us. Liana's got a cool new invention. This isn't a syringe anymore. It's a water gun.
Oh.
What are you doing, Liana? Be careful. Ooh, I'll get you for that. No, you won't, Megan. And so starts the water fight. Who will win and who will lose? Let's declare a friendly truce. Megan, I'm exhausted. We could really use some refreshments. I'll handle that. I've got an idea. It's really easy to find an IV bag in a hospital. We'll just fill it with soda instead of medicine. Simple and delicious. Am I a genius or what, Megan? Meanwhile, Dr. Penny has no time to fool around. Her patients won't cure themselves. Megan, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Sure am, Liana. We have to get inside. Wow, what a huge photo booth. Let's take some pictures, Megan. Ready? Say cheese!
Yay!
Megan, this was the best photo session ever. I bet no one else has selfies like ours. And now it's time for a lunch break. Delicious. I'm hungry too, Liana. Wait, that's right. I have some candy. Get over here, my precious. Ow, my tooth. Are you all right, Megan? Don't tell me you're gonna visit the dentist. No way, bestie. I'm gonna wait for the hospital ferry. Yeah, right. Fairies are fake. 1, 2, 3, and still think they're fake? Amazing.
Wow.
Liana wants some pocket money too. Time to do this. We're gonna try to trick the hospital fairy. 1, 2, 3, take the tooth away. Please, please let it work. The hospital fairy tricked us back.
What?
No teeth means no pocket money. But we can use this thread for something too. Come and help, Megan. We're gonna make pillows. There's nothing we can't do if we're working together. So soft. These tooth fairy pillows will bring us sweet dreams. Even a secret hideout can get boring. Imagination to the rescue. Megan, look! This guy's planning something. He really is. You need peace and quiet for a secret snack. Want some candy, bestie? We'll take care of that. Let's cast our line. All right, careful. To the left. Now a little to the right. Got it. Our fish is almost caught. Now reel it in. Oh no, my Snickers. Why? A great catch! This fishing rod hasn't failed Liana yet. Time for a candy feast. But just one piece of candy is not enough. Maybe there's more in the doctor's office? Check that out, Megan. Just be quiet, and I'll see what we have over there. That looks delicious. Let's taste it. Megan, something's wrong. I'm coming. What's going on, Liana? Oh, I don't feel so good, bestie. Well, of course you don't. You caught Skittles pox. There has to be a cure somewhere. Here, drink. Thank goodness the cure worked. Bye-bye, Skittles pox. That was delicious. Thanks, bestie. But let's not waste any time. I can feel it. The candy is somewhere close. Oh yes, there must be hidden treasure here. Looks so mysterious. Wonder, what is Dr. Penny hiding? Maybe we shouldn't, Liana. It looks dangerous. No, Megan, we simply must eat this. This was a triumph. But now we have to hide before Dr. Penny spots us. And now time for a delicious dinner. Chips always run out way too quickly. Hey, Liana, can you share with me? Sure, bestie. Here. Aw, we can't reach over. It's too far. Catch, Megan. Liana, you messed up. Whoops, sorry, I didn't mean to. We need to set up a rope pulley. Fast. Let's get to work. For this complex device, we need a rope and a pair of rollers. We'll attach a basket, fill it with snacks, and send the delicious package on its way. This is for you, Megan. Enjoy. Thanks, Liana. You're the best. I sure am. Get ready, patients. It's time for the hospital inspection. Things are looking bad. Our secret hideout will be discovered. But Dr. Penny seems out of it today. She fell ill. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. I didn't mean to. What's going on here? I see. The doctor needs a doctor. You'll be fine, Dr. Penny. What should we do, Megan? We have to become doctors, bestie. Wow. Great idea. I know exactly how to cure a cold. Let's do this. I prescribe a soda drip and some chocolate pills. Sweets are the best medicine. Trust me. Yes, doctor. You saved me, girls. Thank you so much. We did our best, Dr. Penny. Wow, and you turned that drab room. Wow, and you turned that drab room into your own hidden chamber. That's brilliant.